So here's another video. So I'm just bored. I'm just bored and I'm 24. So this is very awkward. Okay. Oh my god, what the heck is that? That is so cute. Oh man. RJ. And he was that fun. Oh well. That's RJ. Gonna tell her to oh. I put Addy. What if I ran out of this point? Maybe. Because I really like it. So you might want to like add it. For this? No, sorry. Betas or something. I said something. What's wrong with me? Okay, I'm very sick for real. Okay. I gotta go to Sesame's place on maybe Saturday, a couple days. Saturday, so actually good luck. It's my first day and stuff. No, things like that, yeah. So. Okay, Audrey, I gonna lie that I have such because I don't wanna. I have that slime shot. Oh my god. No. It's just unfair. Yeah. That was stupid. Dog 266. How did these people just get my name out of nowhere? I want to know that. I just really want to know that. Did they say my name and they're like, check my trailer list and then they're like, oh my god, look at this, and I want to get that. It's you. You're the one. It was you. You're a fib. Poop. Come here, Poop. Wait, I got your name anyway. Oh. Who the heck is Coopers21? Oh well. My membership is gonna expire soon, so. No, just kidding. I got a card, so soon I'll be putting it there. See here? Okay, it's fun, it's awesome music place to eat and plenty more. What? Oh, we have visible land. Me. Liar, I swear. Why the heck would you like or Dan? You get to just write stupid, I don't care. Oh. I'm invisible. This is so funny. Oh my god! Look at that! Very awesome. I'm invisible. Yay! Now everyone's gonna try it. Okay. What the heck is this? I already put it there. Oh my god. You're Tinky. Let me guess Tinky. Okay. Whoa. Next thing you know, when did this leave though? I want to leave out of here. I don't want to be invisible for my whole entire butt cheek life. God, sake. Yeah, I'm back. Change it, add. I got that. Oh, almost got that. Got that. I got that. I think I got that. I got that. I got all of this. I got all. Just kidding. I got some things in here. I got that. I think I have that. I have that. What should I get? Blue. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bubble gum. And this. How many pieces do you wish? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I want that. That was awkward. BRB. It was you. Come near you. Oh, there's not. Oh, I want to go to your house. Oh, yeah. No. Oh, what the heck? I got that here, yes. I'm so scared. God, I feel bad. I'm invisible again. When I go back into the end. Hola, Dios. It says hola, Dios. That means hi, God. What the heck is that? Add or change. I'm not adding or changing. I did too much. I ate a freaking big, large penguin thing, which was for blocked, and purple bow, which was really unfair because I did overtrade, which I really thought it was an overtrade for a rare one. What the heck? Ooh, this beta. Is this beta? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. Please trade me gold spike. I don't think you have good stuff. Yeah, you don't. Plus, I don't want to trade my yellow spike. I just put it on trade because I traded this boy. He had the yellow spike color, and I had the orange one since I traded it for some things for my purple. So I wanted to get rid of my orange one because I really didn't like it at all. So I tried to trade it away. So I just found this boy who had a yellow one, which I really need the yellow one, and I really liked. So I just asked the boy, and I said, my spec for yours. If yes, say, if no, say candy. And then he was like, sure. And then, I just traded. I put it on trade. He traded me. I mean, I traded him. Then he said yes. I don't remember. Anyway, I got it, and then I was happy. And then couple minutes later, something, he came back and he was like, "Oh, can I get my spike back? It really is important to me right now. I just noticed that I really needed it and all that stuff." And he tried to make me send it to him by saying, "Oh, orange ones are better than yellows." To be honest with you, it's not, because a lot of people are not a fan of oranges, I believe. But you know, what's the thing is that I think that yellows are the rare too. I mean, I think they're way rarer than the orange ones. Because I barely see anyone with the yellow ones. Like people have some, but you know, not that much people. But it really is, yeah. It's thankful. Okay, so Cool Pants 21. Ooh. I want to go to you. Wait, you wanted to be my buddy. Your den is amazing. Thank you. I like people that are nice and grateful. But the bear funny. And then cause of kids in the chalice. And because of not trading. And then the man was like, "Oh, you should the boy with the spike said, "Can you trade it to me back? I could trade, but like in the same moment I didn't want to trade." I said, "Add." He says, "But add it." Oh shoot! What the heck? What the heck? Okay, so I said thanks so much. Okay, so and she thought I was mean. Like, I mean, no, because it was mine. He tried to trade me. I put it out of trade, and I was like, no, no. And then he said, "Oh well, it's my spike. Give it to me back." And I was like, "It's your spike. You already traded to me." So yeah. And then he was like, "You're a scammer. I'm gonna tell Amgen. I'm gonna call him daddy." Like, dad, like seriously. And I was like, "How is that a scam? I already traded you. I don't want to trade it. It's mine now, so what?" And, you know. Huh? Really? You laugh? I want to be your buddy. You're so nice. Okay, come back. Come back. Oh, there you are. Hey, I'm getting closer to you. Huh? You're my buddy. Okay. You're lucky. You're a non-member having fun with a good member like me. Well, yeah. So that was the story about how I got my yellow spike. Okay, well, if you don't believe me, I don't know if I show you my inventory. Until I get 200 things, I gotta show you. It's like, I don't know. I'm very genius. I got it. See? It's the girl I ever want. You let in?